Alright guys, episode 1 of the knife games. Let's get started. Alright, starting off, we're going to be facing off Kizer Critical Mini versus the Gerber Pledge. This butt gets a pass just because of the way the wheel fell. But here we go. Alright guys, so for the first bracket on each side, we're going to be running through 2 tests. For example, my first bracket, Kizer versus the Gerber, we're going to be doing a paracord chop. I lay the paracord down and just take 5 cuts out of the strand of paracord, ranking them out of 10, and then a paper slice. Alright guys, here we go with our first test, paracord chop. Only pushing straight down, not slicing. There's our 5 pieces. Alright, now for the Gerber Pledge's turn. Not very great, guys. Didn't even go all the way through on a single one of those. Pretty close on the last one. Alright, test number 2. We're going to be using the Kizer Critical Mini on a paper slice. I'm just going to be taking it from the corner. Oh, I already cut it right there. Taking it from the corner and going diagonal cuts. Going to do 3 of them. And I missed where I accidentally cut it a second ago. Alright. Not bad. Alright, now for the other challenger, we have the Gerber Pledge. Again, 3 diagonal cuts across the paper. Alright, after adding up the scores, Kizer coming into the 6.5 on the cord slice, and the Gerber at a 4 out of 10. Just because it didn't go all the way through, and the Kizer did. It took a little bit more effort, just because the blade is straight. Kind of had to maneuver it, I guess. Kind of odd, but the paper, obviously the Kizer cut way better than the Gerber. And so leaving us with a total of 14.5 out of 20 for the Kizer, leaving him as the winner of today's challenge. Thank you guys. Come back tomorrow for round 2.